We are in Carbonear, guys, Newfoundland. There's the old engine, CN engine, 803, Newfoundland Railway, CN, engine 803. This is the old train station in Newfoundland. Yeah, the tracks used to run right along here. You can still see the tracks there. We'll get out here and have a look there now, guys. We are in Carbonear, Newfoundland, at the old train station here in Carbonear, Newfoundland. The only engine left there now in Carbonear is former CN engine 803. Yeah, she was parked here many years ago. I forget what year she was parked down here, but there she is in her glory. See, the town of Carbonear wanted her scrapped at one time, and but I don't know what happened. They stopped the scrappination of her, but that's a good thing, because it's shame to see that one scrapped, because that's the last of her kind, that one there. Yeah, she's been here for a long time, since the railway shut down, and since the ended the branch that go from the main line to Carbonear. That's where she stays, here. CN engine 803, former CN engine 803 of the Newfoundland Railway. And yeah, she's a GR9B. Or 800s, or whatever it is. Engine 803. It's the old narrow gauge railway track. That was standard here in Newfoundland. This is 3 feet 6 inches, and up on the mainland it's 56 and a half. The old CN Engine 803 here in Carbonear. It's the old railway tracks, switches and everything. It's all still left here. Who knows, he might even take it out of here one day. There's the points there. Switch, the old switch. Oh, that switch needs to be lined over here now for her to come out. Former Newfoundland Railway CN Engine 803 here in Carbonear, Newfoundland. Be nice to see her restored. She's the last of her kind, that's what she is. Not too many around. There's one more. There's 802 that went to Montreal. And she's still sitting up there. Yeah. The old CN engine, hey? 803. Been here a long time, buddy. I think the fuel tanks used to be right here, right along here, and they took all that out of her. They took the engines out of her. Yeah, everything. It'd be nice to see her restored. That's where the old tracks used to come along. Look. Right along here. And right in through here. Right along the building, actually. Used to be right along here. That's where that old train used to come. And it kept on going, I think. The old train tracks there. So I'm doing my GoPro and a live video at the same time. That train track there, it was narrow gauge down here in Newfoundland, 3 feet and 6 inches. 3 feet 6 inches. Up on the main line, it's 56 and a half. one more last look at the ancient old tree here in Carbonear, Newfoundland. One more walk around. Too bad it wasn't cold. I had to spend more time. Yeah. Ancient old tree. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. For sure to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye for now.